As expected, today we have announced a loss for the 2022 financial year. And as we look back on the last 12 months, it's clear that it has been another year of highs and lows. Restarting the airline at scale has been no easy feat, from dealing with what COVID throws at us to completing a significant recapitalisation to refuel our recovery.
But as we know from our experience over the past 2.5 years, these things pass, and we believe when people look back on this period and reflect on Air New Zealand, they won't just think about the fact we came through the pandemic. They'll also remember we'd seized this moment of disruption. They'll see we didn't just rebuild, but that we took this moment as an opportunity to reimagine what our business could be.
A key part of our rebuild was completing the recapitalisation of the company, and we want to thank all of our shareholders for their support in making this a success. Your commitment to the airline has set us up to continue to invest, innovate and deliver on our strategy, Kia Mau. Air New Zealand has a proud legacy of innovation. When we introduced SkyCouch, we provided our customers truly unique experience for long-haul travel. And now we're in the final stages of implementing our latest industry-changing innovation with Skynest, the world's first lie-flat economy option.
You know, with Kia Mau at the heart, we're committed to rebuilding a stronger, more nimble airline. An airline that's world leading, and we're confident we have the right strategy and the right team to deliver on this. We're growing and enhancing the core of our operation, our domestic network, improving our offering in the air and on the ground. We're advancing the exploration of electric, hybrid and green hydrogen aircraft with key partners as options for the future domestic fleet. We're pairing this with an optimised international network, which will bolster by flying more often over the coming years to the places we know our customers want to fly, and offering schedules that work for them. And we're elevating our loyalty business. We're developing one that excites customers to use their points and makes them eager to earn more.
As we learn to live with the new abnormal, the Air New Zealand whānau are excited to continue doing what we love, reconnecting families, friends and colleagues within New Zealand and around the globe, bringing tourists back into our beautiful country and getting our quality export products to the world. We're back flying to most of our international ports and have welcomed thousands of visitors back to Aotearoa. We're completing the biggest recruitment drive in the airline's history, and we will be landing in New York in September and Chicago a month later. While there is uncertainty ahead, the desire for travel and connection is strong, and we want to say a huge thank you to our customers for their patience as we rebuild our network. We wouldn't be where we are today without your loyalty and support.
While innovation sets us apart, it's our people that will make us the best in the world, the Air New Zealand whānau. They are what makes Air New Zealand truly special, and I'm grateful for the hard mihi they have put in every day to keep us going. Our vision is to deliver the greatest flying experience on earth, and with our people and our strategy, we are well on the way to reaching our full potential.